Hello student. Today we study about the preparation of coconut chips. In this practical, we study about the introduction of coconut. Second, structure and composition of coconut. Third, health benefit of coconut. Fourth, study about coconut chips. Fifth, the processing of coconut chips. First, we study about introduction. The scientific name of coconut is Cocos nucifera. Family is Eriaceae. Shape elongated to spherical. Weight average about 850 to 3,700 gram. It's matured coconut. Varieties over 20 varieties. Types: tall and draft varieties. Known as king of palms. In second image, we see about the parts of coconut and their unique properties. One is shell, second is copra, third is husk field, and fourth is husk fiber. In shell, the shell is dense and hard. In copra is energy rich and nutritional. Husk pit is hydrophilic and chemically reactive. Husk fiber is strong, stiff, and ductile. Coconut is consist of exocarp, it's called thin hard skin. Mesocarp, it's husk. Endocarp, it's shell. White endosperm, it's called kernel. Large cavity, it's called filled with water. Next is the structure and composition of coconut. The whole coconut is composed of four major parts. First is mesocarp, its husk. Endosperm, its kernel. Endocarp is shell. And fourth is water. The amount of mesocarp is 50%. Endosperm is 25%. Endocarp is 15%. And water is 10%. Nutritional composition amount per 100 gram is product, kernel, coconut water, copra, and coconut powder. In product, energy is 354 kilocalorie. In coconut water, 19 kilocalorie. In copra, 354 kilocalorie. In coconut powder, 354 kilocalorie. Moisture content in kernel is 40 to 50%, in coconut water 95%, in copra 6 to 7%, and in coconut powder is 1.3 to 2.5%. Carbohydrate is around in kernel 8 to 20%, in coconut powder 3.7%, in copra 15%, in coconut powder is about 18%. Protein also 4, 0.7, 7.5, and 6 to 6.6. Fat percentage in kernel is about 35, 0.2, 62 to 65, and 68. And fiber content is 2, 1.1, 3 to 4, 4 to 6. The mineral content in kernel 1% and copra is 2%. Next about is health benefit of coconut. Coconut are excellent for one's immunity. They are antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, and antiparasitic. They kill harmful bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Because of that, we can consume coconut in any of its various forms, whether it be raw coconut, coconut oil, coconut milk, coconut butter, etc. Tender coconut. Good for feeding infants suffering from intestinal disturbances. Oral rehydration medium. Contains organic compound containing growth promoting properties. Keeps the body cool. Diuretic, a substance which tends to increase flow of urine. Coconut oil Coconut oil is health benefit for the antimicrobial health benefits. It has antioxidant properties and slow down the aging process by protecting the body from harmful free radicals, as well as makes the skin free from dryness. The next point is coconut chips. Coconut chips is a value-added product of coconut kernel. Coconut chips, the thinly sliced like crispy coconut meat, which may be sweetened or salted and may be used as a ready-to-eat snacks foods. 120 to 150 gram chips from one coconut. Shelf life of coconut chips is 6 months. Here is the picture of coconut chips. The next point is the processing of coconut chips. In the processing of coconut chips, we firstly study coconut, 10-month matured coconut kernel, removal of shell, removal of testa, cutting in pieces, slicing of kernel. Then next is osmotic dehydration, is 1 hour or 14 minutes. Then drying up at a 70 to 80 degrees Celsius for 4 to 6 hours. After the drying, we packaging. See the process of coconut chips and the process. Firstly, dehusking the coconut. After dehusking, shell remove. After shell remove, we remove the Tesla remove. After Tesla remove, slicing of kernel. It's called white meat also or coconut meat. After slicing of kernel, osmotic dehydration, which means we added the salt water in the coconut chips, and after dehydration, osmotic dehydration, we drying for the 70 to 80 degrees Celsius for 4 to 6 hours, and after drying, ready the coconut chips. Thank you.